No, no. Continue. All right, we just lost the whole half. We lost the whole second half of the lesson. Yeah, I know it's recording still. We lost the whole second half of the lesson. Okay, for everybody's purposes, let me just describe what we did here. Okay? What we did was in the second half of this lesson, we went back to the first problem, 4 feet divided by 2/3. We split this into whole section to 2/3, and then we added the 2. 4 times 3 divided by 2 equals 6. You can make 6 necklaces. The second thing that we did was we took 1/2 pound of cheese and divided it by 1/6 and found out that we could make 3 pizzas out of that. Here we have a 1/2 pound of cheese to start with. The 1/2 pound of cheese is right there. We divide it by the whole number of pizzas we want to use, which is 5, and we find out that we need 1/10 of a pound of cheese for each pizza for a 1/2 pound of cheese. Does everybody understand that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay? So, okay, we're going to look at the rule now for dividing fractions. You might want to write this down. Rules for dividing fractions. Or is recording page. Okay? First, you keep the first number. Mrs. Brown did this PowerPoint. She used the word first number. I prefer to call the first number in a division problem the dividend. Yes? So keep the dividend the same. 1/2 is the dividend divided by 1/3 is the divisor. Okay? You're going to take 1/2 and you're going to multiply it times the reciprocal or the opposite of the divisor. Okay? Follow your rules for multiplication. In this case, you'll get 3 halves, which reduces to 1 and 1/2. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. You leave the dividend alone. You use the reciprocal of the divisor and you multiply. Who can tell me why, if you're using the opposite of the divisor, the reciprocal, you would have to multiply? Since you're changing what's on the right side of the equation, why would you have to multiply? Give this to me. Please help me. Do this to me. One shot, give me an answer. Why? I love you, Matt. I love you. Okay? All right? Because whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do the other. If I use this inverse here, back here. If I use this inverse, I have to use the opposite sign as well. Does everybody understand that? Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you what? Have to do to the other side of the equation. 32/3 equals 10 and 2/3. Make sure you know that you're using the reciprocal of the, don't call it the second number, you call it the divisor. Because I don't like non-terminology now. All right? Does everybody understand that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Good. Now I'll stop this recording and try to save it.